What is up guys, Tan on the sides. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive to Base44. So first log in with your Base44 account and then click on integrations and then create integrations. After that you just simply need to head over to this page, and when this is open you need to head over to the new tab and then open the Google Cloud. From here you need to open the Google console, and after opening, here on the left side you need to click on open project, and then you need to click on new project. After that, here you need to just simply create a new project, and when the project is created, on the left side you need to click on this three lines, and then you need to just simply head over to the APIs and services, and from here you need to click on OAuth consent screen. After clicking on OAuth consent screen, here a new window will open of the OAuth consent screen. And when you are here for the first time, here you will see the option to get started. Simply click on get started and then create your new account credential. And when the new account credential has been created, then on the left side you will see the option of credentials. As you can see here, I have already created a credential. I'll just simply click on it, and after clicking here, the particular credential will open that I have just selected. And from here on the right side you can see the client secret. I'll just simply copy it, but if I can't copy it, I'll click on add secret, and after that I can add a new client secret. I'll just simply copy it from here, head back to base44, and then here in the integration content I'll just simply paste this secret key, and I'll enter the secret name, which is drive. And after that I'll just click on add API key, but before doing it I'll just paste it in the integration prompt, and then I'll click on add API key, and as you can see the API key has been added. And after that, when I'm done, I'll just simply save it. As you can see, the integration name is required. I'll just simply enter the integration name, and after entering the integration name, here, as you can see, I have just simply clicked on save after adding the name and the description, and then this integration has been created. So this is how you can connect your Google Drive to your Base44. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.